Crystal-Hemostop. Deployments steps. Carefully check the valid period of the product packaging box before use. Open the product packaging and take out the visual compression hemostat for backup. Remove the release paper on the back when using. One-piece patented design, anti-curl, anti-sticky, easy to operate. Operator's hand on the end of the compression ball at the curved release paper. The U-shaped port points in the direction of needle removal. Simultaneous forward translation until the puncture point is visible in the visualization window. Apply light downward pressure on the bulb. Remove needle and apply rapid pressure to stop bleeding. Thumbs of one hand presses down on the compression ball to apply continuous pressure. The other hand pulls the tape tightly against the arm. Change hands and press the ball with one hand to deform it slightly. With the other hand, gently pull the tape on the other side. Release finger pressure on the ball to release pressure and rebound. Interaction with the tape generates radial pressure. Long ellipsoidal compression body. Simultaneous compression of supraepidermal hemorrhagic points for effective hemostasis. Transparent polyurethane model for hemostasis by compression after removal of arterial blood gas needles. It can also be widely used in anesthesia, ICU surgery indwelling needle tube, ultrasonic catheter imaging, etc. After removal of the pressure to stop bleeding. Visual compression hemostat is a patented product worldwide. Solid, highly elastic compression body with high visibility, spherical compression, rapid and comfortable hemostasis.